Hello everybody. How are you doing tonight? I hope well. I am so thankful that several of you said that you liked the way this has started because I almost ditched it and started over. But I do think it can be salvaged fairly easily because, well, that's what we do. This is not reaching the ground. There's no way I'm going to show things, dirt, leaves and dirt stuff on the ground here because there is no ground in this painting. But I did want to make it fuller, so I'm going to make more limbs come out and just kind of broaden this a little. So I'm going to try that first to see how it looks. Because that's one good thing with watercolor, you can change it. Starting to fix it so she can hide her nest a little bit because there are things, there's predators that will steal out of a nest from other birds to snakes, and I don't know if a squirrel would or not. Might not be their thing. But I tell you what, if a bird's little nest gets messed up or if a bird's nest is getting attacked, they will be defensive. They will defend their little nest. And I really can't blame them. I'm beginning to forget where I left off, which is okay with a tree. With a tree, that's okay. And that robin's wondering when she comes back, what are you doing to my tree? She's like, what are you doing to my tree? Well, I'm making it more camouflage for you. Tell you, these leaves, I'm just kind of, in some spots, I guess I'm just not really worrying if there's a twig there or not. Probably maybe I should, but I don't know. It's there somewhere. Maybe it's behind. I will pay more attention. Kind of like the two different colors. That was awfully big. Oh, did you guys see those kind of berry things on our tree that when we had the chat Sunday, Joe showed? They're about the size of a pea, and they have kind of a end on them that kind of attaches to the tree with a little stem. But boy, when those things fall off, there are clusters of them on the tree right now, and I just don't remember them being like that in other years, but maybe they were to some point. But they are just so hard. He brought one in so that I would be able to... I don't know what he was doing out there barefoot. But you know, those things were so hard, they could actually... You know, have you ever been out with soft-soled shoes or tennis shoes that didn't have those real heavy soles, just those kind of canvas ones? Man, those things can hurt when you stand on. I thought he was talking about burrs. But these aren't burrs at all. These are a seed of some sort, and it sure has a lot of them. I'm going to turn this. Birds don't, those cocklebirds things, those, you don't find those in trees. Oh, I needed a little twig there. I'll have to make one. This has got one, but I'm not doing very good with it. I've run into cocklebirds though in the grass. A lot of times they'll grow right alongside the sidewalk. You get in there and those darn things, and those stick. I mean, they've got little stickers all over them, thorny type things, and they'll cling to your socks and about everything. Whoa. It looks like that bee can be hard to carry around. Oh. Let's give her back her head. Okay, then we got to make the rest of her bigger. Okay. Somewhere. I get close to there we go. Ha. Now we need to give her a twig. It's the same color as she is. Darn it. Ha. I don't know if this makes any sense. We'll see. Well, this may be one, guys, that you want to do yourselves and improve on what I've done. There's nothing wrong with doing that. There's nothing wrong with watching me and then improving it. I know what. No, that's good. That didn't work. Okay, well, she's got her twig. It may not be very obvious, but it is there. Well, guys, can you see her? She should be a little camouflage, but we do want to know she's there. So I don't know. What do you think? All right. She's there. I succeeded in making it a bird and a tree. A robin, even. You can tell she's got the red breast. So, and trees can be kind of old and gnarly, like this one. Oh, but I think I can actually say I'm done. I love all of you. I love you, and good night.